Well, like I say, the house was built in 1918. Maybe some of them weren't original, but they kind of looked like they were. And the rest of them, they were just, old windows with aluminum storm windows, and some of them you could hardly get open anymore. And certainly they were really hard to clean because you had to get on a ladder with the upstairs windows to clean them from the outside. And they let in heat. They let in cold and let heat out, and they let in a lot of dust. So this is going to be a huge improvement for my wife. She's really excited about it. This last time they put in 20 windows because we were so pleased with their work and the first time and the people they had working. We just were very pleased with the whole deal, and with the product they had, we really trusted them. So we were pleased with what they came up with. Very good. Yeah, two fellows, and just very personable and really interested in pleasing us and not inconveniencing us, because they had to come in and out of the house a lot. And I was gone part of the time, but my wife was here, and she said she hardly noticed they were even here. The main change is just how the place looks. I tell them that it's a great product and that we're real pleased with it, and I'd recommend it to anybody. And we already have the roof and the siding, and we've talked about that a lot to people.